Explore why learning Russian with an online tutor offers flexible, personalized, and motivating lessons that fit modern lifestyles. Learning Russian online becomes easier and more enjoyable when flexible scheduling, personal attention, and instant feedback all work together. Core advantages include flexible scheduling, personalized lessons, instant feedback, and cultural insights that make Russian learning engaging and effective. Learners benefit from home comfort, interactive technology, and deep cultural knowledge that strengthen confidence in real Russian communication. Focused one-to-one tutoring accelerates progress, while technology-driven engagement lifts motivation and helps learners retain Russian more effectively. Motivation grows through cultural context, while regular practice and clear goals sustain steady progress in Russian skills. Forecasts highlight that more weekly sessions and higher skill improvement rates can significantly accelerate online Russian proficiency. Use of interactive tools is high and expected to become very high, further enhancing lesson quality and learner satisfaction. Compare commuting to a fixed classroom with comfortably joining a flexible online Russian session from home or any quiet space. Here we see a dedicated online Russian learning space, combining video calls, shared materials, and a calm home environment. Experience a series of online Russian lessons featuring live speaking practice, grammar explanations, interactive tools, and immediate tutor feedback. Thank you for exploring the benefits of online Russian tutoring. We wish you success and confidence on your language journey.